You're watching the Joe Mills channel.
We lose our sound.
I'm going to do a walk around of a Bobcat S195 shown in all the videos today. This one here has pallet forks and a standard bucket. It is a wheeled model, no tracks. Standard foot and lever controls inside. Nothing fancy, doesn't even have a door. As you can see, John would rather look at the John Deere.
This is more important than a Bobcat.
So right now we're gonna do a quick cold start. Now we're gonna check the glow plugs. Alright, so you guys can't see this, but in the cab it says glow and it's counting down. This right here, that will count down from 10 and it'll say glow on it, and that's to give it time the glow plugs to warm up. See, it's doing it again. Right there. Before you even start the machine, you want to give it time to warm up. So while we're giving it time to warm up, let's go ahead and go over some of the basic controls. Over here you have your temp gauge. Over here you have your fuel gauge. That's pretty self-explanatory. If you drive, you know what that does. This is your hour meter. Currently we're sitting at 1,051 hours. You have your lights, bucket positioning. This does have auxiliary hydraulics on it, so if you were putting something that had high flow, you just switch that mode on right here. This is the press to operate the loader. The bucket controls. Traction lock override. It's your parking brake, the key start. Your throttle is down over here on the floor. Then you have these two pedals down here, and you have your two sticks, one on either side. The sticks control travel, so just like a zero turn, if you want to go forward, you push both sticks forward. If you want to go in reverse, you push both sticks back. If you want to go to the left, you bring the left lever back and the right lever forward. Opposite is the same if you want to go right, which is left lever forward, right lever back. As you can see right now, we have pallet forks on. We also have a bucket over there. Beauty of these machines is you can change out attachments like that. To do that, you have these bars down there that you actually lift up, and then you just use the foot pedals on the machine to basically let go. And that's how you change attachments, basically. Alright, now we're going to start it, see if it starts. Alright, John, just be careful. I don't want you to hurt yourself. Alright, so you have the parking brake off. Now, to go in reverse, you take both sticks and go backwards. Alright, now if you want to go forward, you take both sticks and push it forward. Right? Pretty simple. Okay. Give myself some more room so I can tell you how this turns around. It's exactly like a skid steer in the sense that it skids from side to side. So let's do this. I'm going to take it left. So I'm going to pull back on this lever and go forward on this lever. Now I'm going to go back. I'm going to go forward on this lever and reverse on this lever. Alright, so you put all that together. You got forward, you got reverse, you got left, and you got right. And to go up, left foot, tilt back. To go down, left foot, push down. If you want to tilt the bucket or forks back, right foot back. If you want to tilt it forward, right foot forward. Alright, that's pretty much the basic controls. You can come closer. closer. So whenever someone approaches the machine, the easiest thing to do is to lift the bar up, because that renders the total bucket controls useless. Once you put that bar up, they turn off. Same thing with travel. I can't do travel now because I have the parking brake turned on. So when someone approaches the machine, that's what you have to do, so you don't accidentally skewer them. See? Trying to move the pedal, nothing's happening. The easiest way to get better at these machines is just to practice on it. If you have the money, you have the time, rent the machine, see what it's like, then you can get more confident to use it on jobs. So for now, happy driving.
Whoa.